Hi, I'm Josh with Plumbtree Plumbing. Our technicians are instructed to keep a clean work environment for a few reasons. First, professionalism and safety. Safety always comes at the top of our priorities list to make sure that you and your home are safe, as well as our technicians and the people working around us. Also, part of having the clean work area is the fact that the job gets done faster. You know where everything's at, there's nothing out of place, nothing to trip over, there's nothing to cause a hazard.